The Evol 3 robot vacuum cleaner by Laresar is a comprehensive cleaning solution with a powerful 4,500 bpas suction capacity, capable of absorbing all kinds of rubbish and dust, keeping your home clean and tidy. This multifunctional device not only sweeps and vacuums but also supports mopping functions, offering an all-in-one cleaning solution, and it can even vacuum and mop simultaneously, significantly saving on cleaning time. The intelligent device offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes and features an intelligent carpet detection system that automatically increases the suction power on carpets. The Evol 3 robot vacuum cleaner has a slim design with a height of only 3 inches, allowing it to easily navigate under furniture and clean out even the deepest debris. Equipped with a large capacity 3,200 mAh battery, the vacuum cleaner can work continuously for 180 minutes, and it features a self-charging function, returning to its charging base when the battery is low or the cleaning is completed. The device offers multiple control methods, including button and remote control, compatibility with a mobile smart app, and even supports pairing with Alexa and Google Home smart speakers for voice control.